Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Settings or Photos, tap Wallpaper to begin changing your background. First, pick the image you want, either from Photos or Apple's Wallpapers, because the source determines options like live versus still. Once you've chosen, preview it to check composition and orientation. Make sure the key subject isn't cropped by the notch. If your iPhone is outdated, update iOS now. This avoids missing features. Now, tap Set to move to placement and apply choices. Now fine-tune the image. Use pinch and drag to zoom and position the subject where you want it to appear behind icons and the clock. If available, toggle perspective zoom to add depth. Disable it for a static fit so nothing shifts when you tilt the phone. For live photos, decide whether to keep motion. It affects battery and feel. When the composition looks right, press Set, then pick lock screen, home screen, or both to apply the background exactly where you need it. Finish by locking and unlocking your iPhone to confirm the wallpaper displays as expected and that icons and widgets remain readable. If the image looks pixelated or incorrectly cropped, choose a higher resolution photo or reframe with a different zoom level. Portrait shots usually fit best. If the wallpaper won't apply, restart the phone, ensure iOS is current, or reset wallpaper settings in Settings. This resolves common glitches. One quick tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.